You were taught that space is cold, silent, empty, a vacuum where nothing happens and nothing matters. You were taught that the sun is yellow, that astronauts float because there's no gravity, that black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking in everything around them. Every single one of those things you were taught is a lie, not a mistake. A lie, a simplified, sanitized, school textbook version of reality designed to make the universe feel manageable, safe, predictable. The real universe is none of those things. And the truth isn't just stranger, it's terrifying. Let's start with the first lie, the one you see every time you look up. The coldest place in the universe is not in space. You've heard it 1,000 times. Space is freezing. Absolute zero. Minus 273 degrees Celsius. Here's what they didn't tell you. The coldest naturally occurring temperature ever recorded in the known universe wasn't found in a distant nebula or the shadow of a dead star. It was measured in a laboratory at MIT. In 2003, physicists cooled sodium atoms to 450 picokelvin. That's 0.000000000045 degrees above absolute zero. Half a billionth of a degree. And the coldest naturally occurring place? Not the Boomerang Nebula at 1 Kelvin. It's the permanently shadowed craters at the moon's south pole. Diviner instrument on LRO measured 25 Kelvin, minus 248 Celsius. Colder than Pluto. Colder than the Boomerang. Space isn't cold. Space is insulated. There's no air to conduct heat away. You don't freeze in space. You cook in your own sweat. The real danger in a spacesuit isn't cold. It's overheating. The lie isn't that space is cold. The lie is that you were taught to fear the wrong thing. There is no zero gravity. Only falling. You've seen the footage. Astronauts floating. Zero G. Weightlessness. There is no such thing. The International Space Station orbits at 400 kilometers. At that altitude, Earth's gravity is still 90% as strong as it is on your couch right now. 90%. The astronauts aren't floating. They're falling. They're falling toward Earth at 7.66 kilometers per second, 27,600 kilometers per hour, and missing the ground because they're moving sideways fast enough that the curve of the Earth drops away beneath them at the same rate they fall. They're not weightless. They're in continuous free fall. Every second of every day. For months. Your body knows the difference. Your inner ear screams that you're falling. Your fluids shift toward your head. Your bones dissolve. Your heart reshapes itself. You're not floating. You're falling, and your body is paying the price for every second you don't hit the ground. The sun is not yellow. You've just never seen it. Every drawing, every children's book, every emoji. Yellow sun, orange sun, warm, friendly yellow. The sun is white. Pure, blinding white. Class G2V main sequence star. Surface temperature 5,778 Kelvin. Peak emission in the green-blue part of the spectrum. It only looks yellow because Earth's atmosphere scatters the shorter blue wavelengths, Rayleigh scattering, leaving the longer yellow-red wavelengths to reach your eyes. From space, the sun is blinding white. Astronauts describe it as the whitest white you've ever seen. Painful, unfiltered, alien. You've spent your entire life looking at a filtered, distorted version of your own star. You've never seen the real thing. None of us have. Space is not silent. It screams. In space, no one can hear you scream. Great movie tagline. Total lie. Sound is pressure waves in a medium. Space is a vacuum, mostly. But mostly isn't empty. The solar wind, a 1,000,000-mile-per-hour stream of charged particles from the sun, carries pressure waves through plasma. The magnetosphere of Jupiter screams at frequencies you'd hear if your ears worked in vacuum. Saturn's rings sing. Earth's magnetosphere hums at a frequency far below human hearing, but it's there. Voyager 1 recorded the voice of interstellar space in 2012, a rising whistle as it crossed the heliopause. Plasma waves oscillating at frequencies that, shifted into human hearing, sound like a scream. Space isn't silent. It's loud. You just don't have the ears to hear it. You have never seen a star in real time. Look up at night. See that bright star? Proxima Centauri, 4.2 light-years away. The light hitting your retina left that star in 2021. You're seeing it as it was years ago. Sirius? 8.6 years ago. Betelgeuse? 540 years ago. The light you see from Andromeda left before humans invented writing. Every star you see is a ghost. A message from the past. Some of those stars have already died, exploded, collapsed, vanished, and you're still watching their light. You don't look at the universe. You look at its obituary. Every night. Asteroids are not solid rocks. They're rubble piles. Hollywood shows them as solid monoliths. Giant space boulders you could land on, drill into, blow up. Rome, Bennu, Ryugu, Itokawa. Every asteroid we've visited up close. Osiris-Rex, Hayabusa 2, near Shoemaker, they're all the same. Rubble piles, loose collections of boulders, gravel, and dust held together by nothing but their own feeble gravity. Porosity up to 50%. Empty space between the rocks. Hit one with a kinetic impact, like Dart did to Dimorphos, and it doesn't shatter. It rearranges. The ejecta plume carries more momentum than the impact itself. The asteroid doesn't break. It reconfigures. They're not rocks. They're cosmic gravel piles held together by hope and weak gravity. One good shake and they come apart. Spacesuits don't protect you from cold. They keep you from exploding. Pop culture. Space is cold, so the suit keeps you warm. Reality. The suit is a pressurized balloon. 1 atmosphere inside, 0 outside. The pressure difference is trying to turn you into a balloon animal. Without the suit, you don't freeze. You don't explode like in the movies. The water on your tongue boils. The moisture in your lungs boils. Your blood doesn't boil. Your skin holds it in, but dissolved nitrogen forms bubbles in your tissues. The bends, instantly, everywhere. You stay conscious for about 15 seconds. Then hypoxia takes you. You die of asphyxiation, not freezing. Your body radiates heat slowly in vacuum. It would take hours to freeze solid. The suit isn't a coat. It's a pressure vessel. The only thing between you and the vacuum trying to turn your body fluids into gas. No human has ever seen the far side of the moon. Not with their own eyes. Every human who has ever lived, every astronomer, every poet, every lover staring at the moon, has seen the exact same face. The same craters. The same mares. The same face. The moon is tidally locked. 1 rotation per orbit. The far side is forever hidden. Apollo astronauts orbited it. Took photos. But no human eye has ever seen it directly. The far side is a place we know only through cameras. Through data. Through proxy. You will die having never seen the other half of the only world besides Earth that humans have visited. Black holes don't suck. They just are. Cosmic vacuum cleaners. Gravitational monsters swallowing everything. If the sun instantly collapsed into a black hole of the same mass, Earth wouldn't budge. Our orbit wouldn't change by a millimeter. The gravity at this distance would be identical. Black holes don't suck. They have gravity. Same gravity as the mass that made them. The difference is density. All that mass compressed into a point where the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. They don't reach out and grab you. You have to fall in. Cross the event horizon. Choose the path that leads to the singularity. They're not hunters. They're traps. And you have to walk into them yourself. You are made of the 5% the universe cares about. Everything you've ever seen. Every star. Every galaxy. Every planet. Every person you've loved. Every atom in your body. All of it. Everything visible in the entire universe. Makes up 4.9% of what exists. The rest? 26.8% dark matter. 68.3% dark energy. We don't know what dark matter is. We only know it's there because galaxies rotate too fast to hold together without it. We don't know what dark energy is. We only know it's accelerating the expansion of the universe. 95% of reality is invisible, undetectable, unknown. We are the foam on the surface of an ocean we cannot see. We are not the main characters. We are the rounding error. If this video made you see the night sky differently, consider subscribing. Void and Voltage is about the space and the technology that shape your world and the mysteries hiding between them. New videos every week. Thank you for watching.